So whenever we built this shop, I got ripped off pretty good by a contractor, and that sucked. Turns out I have a friend who also got ripped off like years ago. I think his project, he got ripped off, and it's been sitting for 8 years now, unfinished. So since I know how much it sucks to get ripped off, we're gonna go, we got the truck today, we got the trailer, we're gonna go pick up his project and see what we can do to help get it done. Hey.
What's happening? Oh, you're already ready for content. So.
Oh yeah, you already got stuff in there.
Oh yeah.
Nice. So all right, before we show them what it is, what's the story?
Are you rolling?
Oh, we're always rolling.
Oh. So, exciting day today. We're picking up the 1964 VW camper van, Westfalia. It was my daily driver for years, and a friend of mine, we had it in his paint shop for 8 years, yeah. And it was supposed to come out running and rolling and ready to go, and it came out as you're about to see. And I guess we're gonna get it over to Steven's shop and get her fixed up. All right,
which one is it?
117.
There she is. So yeah, the paint is actually good, but that's about it. There's no windows, there's no engine, right?
Right. No, we have it all. But
yeah.
The engine's being built in California, but this is how it came out of the paint shop.
Yeah.
Not drivable.
No, I would say there's no, well, there's pedals. I mean, maybe they don't work.
Yeah, they work.
Just no engine to make it go.
Right.
Yeah, what year was this again?
1964, and it's got a pop-up camper.
Oh yeah, the hole in the roof.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Yeah, let's see if it still rolls. Secure?
Yeah.
There it is. You want to follow me that way? If it hits, falls off, it hits somebody we know.
Yes.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Awesome.
Second thought, maybe we should go in front.
No.
Hello and, I started talking before I started recording. So hello and welcome to the present. So yeah, it's been a few months. Actually, we thought this would take like 2 months to just like, assemble a bus. It's been a lot longer, mostly due to parts delays. So like Mark will like call and order parts, and the guys on the phone will be like, yeah, we're sending you the right parts. And then they'll get here, they're the wrong parts. We've had other people send us broken parts. But anyways, we've been working on the bus, and I realized I was putting the video together. I left out one important part, which is why Mark is so connected to this bus and why we're doing all this work.
Okay, the connection piece. So my stepdad brought it down in the 70s to Texas from Virginia, in tow behind a U-Haul. It sat in our backyard for a number of years, from the 70s until I bought it around 89 or 90. And I bought it from him for a $100 bill. Got it running, put it together, and it was my daily driver for a number of years. I may or may not have spent some time down by the river in it, but it's been a wonderful project, I think, minus all the delays and setbacks. We are getting close to finishing it, and it's very special to me because I played in it as a child. My son spent some time in it. And I've kept this thing. I wanted to have this project going during his high school years and refurbish it and with him, and that didn't happen. So Zero to Awesome has been gracious enough to let us use the shop and help with it, and Max has been here, and we're both working on it together, and dream come true. Thank you, Zero to Awesome. Thanks, Steven.
A little bit too many kind of words there, because it's not done yet. Actually, it doesn't roll right now. We still don't have an engine, but we do have a deadline. It's not one of those fake YouTube deadlines either. So May 9th, there is a car show at the Fort Worth Boat Club. It is called Wood, Waves, and Wheels. It is vintage cars, vintage motorcycles, boats, wooden boats, other boats, many boats as a boat club. I mean, come on, right? But yeah, that's the deadline we're working towards. May 9th. It's going to be, let's just say it's going to be tight. The bus will be there one way or another. I do have a car hauler. I also have a car that does run, and that one will be there too. So if you want to see the cars, you want to see us, Fort Worth Boat Club, May 9th, free to come to the show, free to put your own car or motorcycle or boat in the show if you want to, and we'll see you there. Well, it's here. You ready
It's
to get
here.
to work?
Awesome.
Yeah, so we got a lot of work ahead of us. First thing, transmission is going to come out. It's going to go and get rebuilt. He's got an engine on order. We have this whole pile of parts here. Some of them need to be reconditioned. Some of them just need to go in. So make sure you, just like the thing says, like, subscribe, angry comments, and we'll see you on the next one.
Zero to Awesome. You were telling me about your YouTube channel, and I got on and I watched it, and I was like, holy smokes. This would be, I have a project that would be great for his YouTube channel, and it should not take that long.
I thought 2 months, like every weekend, every other weekend, we could get it going. Hang on. He showed me the bus, like, not all put together, and he showed me this box of parts. He's like, that's what we have to do. I was like, oh, it's a box of parts and like, how hard is that? And then, you know, the engine was supposed to be here in January. It's now April. Yeah. Engine is still not in there because we don't have one.
With having the transaxle had to go.
Oh, they haven't seen that.
No.
Oh, don't spoil it.
Okay. All right. So
Let's just say
it's not on wheels.
No, there's no wheels.
And it doesn't roll.
There are no wheels.
We had an actual
Furniture dolly
strapped to the bottom for a while, and that anyway. But sorry about your luck.